Channel. This is Devyansh on this side, and today we are going to talk about operators in Java. So, already you would be knowing many things about Java from before because I have already taught you in few of the videos before. So, go and check it out if you have not checked. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay. Now, beginning the operators in Java. So, what is actually basically operators in Java? What are the usage of that? What are the different types of that? Everything we will be covering into that. Okay. But operators basically are used to perform functions between variables and the data that store that data that they store. So basically, I will just give you an example. Suppose I will just write a system.out.println, and then I will just write there a value 2 plus 3. If I want to add two numbers, 2 plus 3, sorry, 2 plus 3. Let's see whether it is able to execute that and give me a sum of 5 or not. And great, we are able to get the sum as 5, isn't it? It's really easy. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a variable a, int a equal to 2. I will store it there. Then I will go make a variable b into 3, and then let me store this particular value inside. Instead of 2 and 3, let me write it here, a plus b, and let us execute it once more and see what is the particular output of that. And great, again we are able to get the 5. It's now a bit more easy. Now again I will make a variable as sum, and I will write there a plus b. So let us remove this from here now and write the sum there. Sorry, I'm not able. Okay, let us see what is the particular output. We are able to get it now. Okay, so it has not executed or what? Okay, so again we are able to get the value as 5 there. Okay, so this is a basic operator, that is the plus operator, and you are able to get the sum of that. In the similar fashion, there are different operators present there. So Java basically has how many types of operators it has? Let me show you. Okay, so first type of operators, types of operator operators operators in Java. So types of operators in Java. So if we consider types of operators in Java, what are the different types of operators in Java basically? Let us try to see that. Okay. So there are basically different types of operators, and if we consider the basically the types, so the first type is called the arithmetic 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 exception not arithmetic operators. Then there are assignment operators, and then there are comparison operator, and then there are logical operator, and then there are bitwise operator. Okay, so these are the different types of operators. So I think some few things you will be able to understand easily, like plus, minus, and then star, and then slash. So these are basically plus, minus, product, and then the division operators. Then there is an operator called modulus operator. We will be like learning about modulus and then some more operators in future. Right now we will not learn. I will tell you about these things in details. If you want a specific video on the operators, description, you can just hit a comment. I will just do a detail of that. So modulus operator, then the plus plus operator, that is called increment operator, and then this is called the decrement operator, minus minus. When we come to the other operators like the assignment operator, so that is the equal to operator, isn't it? Equal to operator comes under the assignment operator, and then what else comes? Plus, equal to, minus, equal to. In the similar fashion, you can add all the above arithmetic operators to that. And then there are also operators like not equal to, we add, or power equal to, then shifting operators. So many operators are there. You can have a detailed description of that. Then when we come to the comparison operators, so what are the comparison operators? So equal to operator, not equal to operator, greater than, less than, then greater than equal to, and then less than equal to. Okay, so these operators are there. When we come to comparison operator, when we come to the logical operator, then the operators are basically and this one, and then not equal to operator. Okay, so these were the basic operators that you should basically remember every time when you are solving any problem or you are doing anything. You should remember that. Okay, and then there are more and more operators are there. Now let me tell you about the last operator, that is the bitwise operator. So what is bitwise operator in Java? Have you ever heard about that before, or in any of the programming language? If you have learned, have you ever known about that bitwise operators in Java? I think it would be like maybe or may not, I don't know about it, but let me tell you. So these are basically used many time in competitive programming, and basically these are the operators like this one, bitwise or operator, bitwise and operator, this one, and then bitwise XOR operator and bitwise complement operator. Bitwise XOR operator is that this one, where is it? This one, and then bitwise complement operator is, where is it? Uh, mm, then bitwise complement operator is also there. This one, it was difficult to find out. You can see just below the escape key. So these are the different types of operators in Java. And if you want, I can make just do a comment and I will make a descriptive video about operators regarding Java. But for now, I have just made a refreshment of all the operators already present in Java. And I hope so you have enjoyed this particular video. If you like the video, please do a like. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Till then, I would suggest just one thing to you is that for every operator, try to solve at least one question for each of the operators, not only for plus or for minus or for star or for slash, but for every operator. You should try to make different questions on that and try to do different questions on that. Okay, like I have already told you above here about that a plus b. Let me tell you one more thing. Like suppose I have made a variable c and I write c plus equal to 1. Okay, and let me just print that sum, or let me make it, instead of that 1, let me make it sum. So what is it basically doing? It is making c equal to c plus sum. Okay, so let us see if we are able to get that. If I just execute that, we should get what? Okay, there is an, okay, this, so these are not commented. Let us comment it out. Now if we execute it, okay, c plus equal to some error, not a statement. Why is it showing like that? C plus is not a statement. There would be some issue that we have made actually. So, okay, you should basically do what? We should basically make int c equal to 0 first, and then we should do it. I think so. It will be okay then. Okay, so let me add an ln also here, and then we can do it. So you can see 5, 5, because C in C we have stored the value 0 itself. So that's why in sum we got 5. That's why 5. And then C plus equal to sum, again 5. Let me just make it more clear. If I make it 1, and let me write the variable name also here in double quotes, sum plus, and then in this one we can write C basically, C plus, and then we can execute it. And let's see what is the particular output now. So, so you can see it's written there, sum 5 and C 6, because 1 we have added to the C value. So I think this is all about basics of operators in Java. And if you want a special video on all the operators examples and solving questions, or do comment, I will just definitely post a video on that specifically. Till then, I would just end this particular video. I hope so you enjoyed the video. Till then, be happy, be safe, and Jai Hind.